Richmond's tech landscape is evolving quickly, and conferences reveal what's becoming standard and what's already outdated. In IT, the biggest risk isn't a single outage. It's falling behind as tools advance, threats grow, and compliance demands tighten. As Frank Ernesto, CEO of Network Data Security Experts, puts it, the most resilient technology leaders learn where industry decisions are being shaped, not after they're enforced. That's why Richmond Tech conferences matter, especially regional events that reflect real-world constraints like budgets, staffing, and industry demands. The key is choosing conferences by outcome, not hype. Cybersecurity events turn abstract risk into practical defense through real incident lessons and zero-trust strategies, while leadership summits sharpen long-term judgment around roadmaps, vendors, and business alignment. Hands-on seminars deliver skills you can apply immediately, and trade shows are most useful when you arrive with clear evaluation goals beyond marketing. The real value comes from what you do after the event. Review your notes, connect with the right peers, and turn insights into clear next steps. That's how conferences help you stay relevant, reduce risk, and make smarter IT decisions. For the full breakdown of Richmond conference types, visit our website. And don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist for easy access anytime.